As a developer, I want to keep other teams up to date with how our product works. However, my workflow is based on code, so it's easy to forget and hard to maintain. So I've fixed this with Exnota Docs, which lets developers write documentation in code, and then it is automatically synced to Notion, where other teams can access it, such as sales, marketing, support, product. I'll show you how it works. In Exnota Docs, we'll create a new source to tell us where to get the documents from, specify the path, which code repository to use, and where the documents should go in Notion. Now, to trigger our first sync to Notion, let's imagine we've been working on updating API limits that are hard-coded, and as part of that, we're going to update our documentation, and the free tier now has 90 requests per minute. Now let's save that to the shared repository, go over to Notion, and in a moment we'll see our new pages start to come through. If we go up to our Docs homepage, we'll see we've got an overview with all the pages we just synced. And this is all entirely searchable, so if we run a search for API limits, we'll get that usage limits page that we updated, and you can see now we have the 90 requests per minute. So now all your teams can access this information, and it's part of your developer's workflow, so it won't be forgotten. Easy as that.